So welcome friends, welcome to Online Learning Box. I'm Karthik. I'm Karthik here for your mentor, and this is illustrations and very simple illustrations of emoji set. So my one of my subscriber questioned me how they can make money from this simple emoji set. So here we go. In my total illustrations from begins to last, you have to watch this video and you can definitely understand how you can make money from this simple illustrations. And believe me, this is very popular emoji set. You can make anything else with your imaginations, with your creativity. So don't copy this, okay? Otherwise Shutterstock or any other vector submitting place will reject you by this reason. Okay, so I will demonstrate you how you can make this kind of illustrations. Okay, so in this sessions I'm just going to speedify my process, because otherwise this video will be getting very long. So I'm not recommended you to watch long videos, but first of all I'm just demonstrating how I create this shade, because lots of my students ask me that's your some kind of missing things. So okay, now just demonstrating purpose, hit alt. Now you can see it's gone. So here you can watch, this is my trick here. So let's start, and please keep watching till the end and you will definitely understand how you can make money with the simple emoji set. So keep watching. Now this is the finishing of this emoji set. Now what I'm going to do here, just selecting all of these things, control A, with a hitting control A, and now go to object and expand everything. Okay, expand everything. Now this set is ready for sale. Now what I'm going to do here, just go to the file, save as, now desktop, and here I'm going to write down emoji icons vector set. Okay, now EPS, now desktop EPS, EPS is an encapsulated form. Okay, and by default keep in mind that if you are a Shutterstock Illustrator, always Illustrator EPS 10 or EPS 8 should be saved as when you are submitting to Shutterstock, okay, as a contributor, so it will be acceptable. Otherwise Shutterstock will reject your EPS file or vector illustration. So hit OK. Okay, it is automatically saved to your computer desktop or anything else. See here my illustrations. Now what I'm going to do here, just go to the Google and Shutterstock contributor. This is my contributor account. Okay, you have to pass out their rules and regulations. After that they will definitely contact with you through mail, and your Shutterstock contributor account will be open. Okay, see, this is a processing, and this is my painting. What I'm going to do here, when I'm painted anything, just painting in my canvas and take a picture with a good DSLR camera. Okay, now refresh one time. Now we can see this is a vector set of emojis. Now you have to write down here some descriptions, and description should be the five words. So here emoji icon vector set. Okay, now you can see, you can write down here EPS 10 for, okay. Now nice sign and symbol. Now for our miscellaneous, maybe good icons, symbols, face, smile, set, illustrations, vector, happy, sign, sad, wave, emoji icon, okay, isolated, cute, characters, expressions. Okay, now find more keywords which is suitable for you. Now we can see, you can write down here the emoji icon set, and I think this will enough. Add smiley, design, joy, button, cartoon. So you can search here. You can also search here, I think this one, and this one. Hit OK. Add circle. No, cat, not eyes. Tears. And is not graphic, applications, collection. So 50 keyword, you can take 50 keyword. So I have to remove two of them. So applications, I'm going to remove this applications, and graphics. So there's a 50 keyword. You can copy this one, attach file, then submit it. Okay, they review your work. Here you can see this is pending. They review your work, and after review this is here you can see this is approved, and this is rejected for the license, non-license, missing reference, something like that. And this is the artwork property. I have to release this artwork property. Next time I will show you how to release artwork property. Okay, this is a lots of artwork that's approved by Shutterstock. So this class I am demonstrating here how you can make simple emojis, and you can make money with this. Okay, you can stay with me for more informations. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.